Hello, teachers and students out there. This is John with Educational Technology. And today is just going to be a really quick tutorial just about how to find and access Google Classroom because there are multiple ways to do so. So probably one of the best ways to do so would be to go into your My OUSD dashboard. And you can get there from our district homepage by clicking on the link at the very top. This is My OUSD dashboard. Also know that you can get there by also just typing myousd.orangeusd.org. Either way will take you to your login page. When you log in, you're going to want to use your district supplied credentials, which is the same username and password that you've used in the past. And this will take you to your MyOUSD dashboard. Once you guys are in here, this is essentially your launching pad for getting into most of the platforms that we offer, both instructionally as the district. But in this case, we're going to primarily be focusing on the Google applications. So once you click on the Google folder, you can simply click on Google Classroom. Now, because you have logged into your MyOSD dashboard, when you click on Google Classroom, it will automatically recognize that you are logged in and who you are so that you will have direct access into your classroom. Also know that just like the dashboard, another way to get there, so say you're on a different computer, you don't need to go into your dashboard or you just want to go directly there, you can type in classroom.google.com and that will also take you to your Google Classroom. If you are already logged in, it will automatically bring you here just like we did through the dashboard. If you're not logged in, it will ask you to log in, but you'll use your same credentials as you would for everything else. So that's it. Hope that helps everyone. And until next time, remember, you cannot be an analog teacher in a digital world. We'll see you soon.